this is Deepseek. It's a open AI rival. It's been about 5 days since its launch. It's a China-based AI company, and it has already been creating ripples all across AI industry. As you can see, the stocks have fallen. Nvidia stocks have fallen by 16%, and so is the case with other AI-based companies. And the reason is that anybody can build a product. When it comes to optimization, it's either China or India who brings in best of resource. And this again has been proven by this company. Now, of course, there would be a lot of debates on this, just like how TikTok debate is going on. I'm not worried. I have jumped into this and I have said goodbye to ChatGPT because I don't have to pay anything for now. Again, I have got access to this. Best part is that it uses less resource. It is 96.4% more efficient than OpenAI. That means it uses less GPU to run this model. And these are technical things. What matters is whether it is of use to you or not. So let's go ahead, see this. I'll show you. And it has been amazing so far. Right now, the access has been limited because of some malicious attack. So once you click here, this is start now. You also have option to have this as an app. I will go for this. Then here you enter your phone number, email address, and then password, or you can also log in through your Gmail account. So I'm using Gmail credential where username, password gets entered. And once that is done, you come to this interface. You can see this interface just looks exactly like ChatGPT. You can come and type and interact with this AI agent here, and you will start getting response. And the response is natural, much better than OpenAI ChatGPT. If you're looking for reasoning, then you will have to come to Deepseek. So you see here, solves reasoning problem. If you're just looking for search, then this is the one. And just like ChatGPT function, you can message here and get responses. Again, here you have this get app feature, so which I showed earlier. In case you want app on your mobile, then you can just scan this and download to your mobile to start working with this Deepseek. Let me just type what model are you and how can I take help to build my social media present. So you see here, I'm a Deepseek V3, and then it goes on to give details of everything step by step. So let me just go to the top, and you can see this wide range of tasks, define your goal. So once you define your goal, what you want to achieve, what your target audience is, platform that aligns to, and then optimizing profile, how to create high quality content, and then engaging with audience, use of hashtag keywords, collaborate and network, how that can be done, analyze and adjust, and then considering paid promotion, staying authentic, and then tools also. It suggests how you can use and achieve this. Let me show you a small demo on how to create a YouTube description and tag. So all I'm writing is how to succeed on social media. So this is the title for the video, and show how you can leverage TikTok for business and come with YouTube description and tags. So once I'm doing this and entering, now you see this gives YouTube title, description and tag within no time, and also timestamp, which gives a guidance of how you can create the video. So everything is done. You just copy and paste to your video, and that should do. This is just one test case for social media. This is just one test case. Depending on what your interest is, you can just go ahead and start interacting and start getting answers. This is definitely much better than ChatGPT with whatever interactions I have had. And do let me know in case you have any specific question in the comment section, and I'd be happy to answer that. Thanks for watching.